Gaming is all about fun, but also about difficulty levels, unbeatable bosses, heavy weapons, unsolvable riddles, and mysteries. Welcome to Binge TV, and today we'll be presenting you with top 10 hardest video games. We will begin with the countdown of 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn on notifications for more videos like this one. Without further ado, let's begin. 10th place, Battletoads. First, we have Battletoads, one of the hardest games to test your patience. On every single level, you will face several failures. This rock-solid side-scroller can be played in co-op, but don't think that's going to make things easier. Even if by some combination of luck and reflex speed you manage to complete the level, it's only going to get more difficult from there. From pigs to snakes to ice caverns, there's no chance of surviving. 9th place, Oddworld, Abe's Odyssey. Next up, we have Oddworld, Abe's Odyssey. Even the game makers have admitted this game was tough. Almost every action you take needs to be carefully calculated, because there's no chance of error, but you also have to balance that out with the desire to explore every nook and cranny you can find. The ultimate goal of this game is to escape, but also free your fellow employees from the facility. 8th place, Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. A game where your legs get stuck in a cauldron and you haul yourself up a mountain with a rock climbing hammer. Imagine how difficult this game is, where you drag yourself up and down with the help of a hammer. Once you lose your grip, you fall to the bottom. Starting over the game is pretty hectic as it tests your patience. It teaches you to correctly use the hammer and that some ledges will be out of reach without momentum. 7th place, Contra Hardcore. Next up, we have Contra Hardcore, one of the most exciting multiplayer games which demanded players to avoid getting hit once as bullets fill the screen. Contra Hardcore reeled the difficulty to 11, and players were able to run and gun their way through the levels. Enemies are much stronger and have powerful weapons that can kill the player in the first shot. Bosses are evil and much alert to deal with. They do have weak points, but the game difficulty remains the same. You can win the game only if you try multiple playthroughs, as the game features branching paths. 6th place, Super Meat Boy. Super Meat Boy is one of the most tantalizing experiences you'll ever have. The game was an excellent Twitch platformer, with tight controls and 300 level designs. Its level design is brutal, throwing curveball after curveball at the player, demanding pinpoint platforming precision to survive. This incredible game was made for hard-hitting players. Every level is tremendously hard, and you need to be an execution expert. Boss battles are harder to deal with, as to defeat Littlehorn, you will need to memorize the entire pattern to get through. 5th place, Cuphead. Cuphead was one of the most memorable games of the 2010s. Don't get fascinated by the colorful environment and upbeat soundtrack, because Cuphead is a difficult game to play. As you take on Goopy LeGrande, Bilderberg, and Phantom Express, you will feel that there is an insane abundance of boss fights, and to defeat them, you will need to learn new strategies. Each fight consists of multiple stages and makes the game much rigid. The objects fill the screen and make it tough to keep yourself from getting hit long enough to see the end. 4th place, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Next up, we have Rainbow Six Siege, which is tricky, exciting, and fantastic. Every second of the game is filled with thrill. The wall bricks or the floor won't protect you. Destruction is no gimmick as you get to blow holes in the world around you. Blasting through floors and ceilings, and keeping much of your corporeal special husk behind fragile cover during firefights is key to your life in each of the respawn modes. Playing defense is the major part of the game to get it going. 3rd place, Sekiro Shadow Die Twice. Next up, we have Sekiro Shadow Die Twice. You play a shinobi and try to rescue your master Kuro, who got kidnapped. The bosses here are just as tough as their Dark Souls counterparts. The combat is genius, and you can kill the bosses by whittling their health bar with your katana. The defining moments of the game are its stylish death blows, which you only deliver once you have broken your enemy's posture, displayed as a bar alongside the health. You will need a lot of practice to beat the bosses. Difficulty aside, the game is also beautiful to look at, featuring a fantastical interpretation of Sengoku-era Japan. 2nd place, Nioh. The penultimate Nioh, with its grueling combat and difficult boss encounters, is one of the toughest games. You can flawlessly change over between stances in a battle that affects your damage output. Learning the tactics of your enemy and finding the correct time to attack can make or break any encounter. Nioh's boss encounters are where the game gets extremely difficult for even experienced players, as enemies offer an extremely limited window of opportunity to strike. You will require extensive knowledge of different stat systems to play the game. 1st place, Dark Souls. Last in the line, we have a well-reputed game, Dark Soul, which is known for being difficult with an endless lineup of tough bosses who can just finish your game in one shot. These bosses are extremely furious, powerful, and cunning. The accursed Blighttown is a dark location that can be accessed through the depths, or the Valley of Drakes. It throws an incredible amount of enemies into groups and acquires a hefty amount of backtracking. There is simply no amount of leveling up that will save you if you don't know how to win the game. So, what are your thoughts on our top 10 hardest video games? Feeling the nostalgia yet? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, make sure to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time for more.